This video explains how to set up desired capabilities for Android emulator. To begin with, let's download the WordPress APK file. There is a website called APK Pure, and that gives us an option to download the APK file of the application. Click on OK button. Once the download is complete, create a new folder in desktop and then paste that APK into that specific folder and give it a simple name. APK. So why do we do this is to keep the app path simple. Now let us get the app path. As we know, the Android folder is in the desktop. Let me change my directory to that specific folder and then let's do ls. So this gives the path. So I've already pasted it over here, and also you should note down the file name, which is wordpress.apk. Now let us start the APM server. Click on the inspector icon and then start adding the new capability for Android. We should give platform name, which is Android. Platform version, which you can get by clicking on your emulator, choose settings option, scroll to the bottom and choose system. Here you can see the Android version is 8.1.0. I'm going to set that value here. You should give a device name. It can be anything, but I'm just giving Android again. We should give the app path, which we have just took it over here, and then we should give app package, and the value of that will be org.wordpress.android. I'll just show in a minute how to get that values. And this is app activity value. And I'm setting it to the value here. And I'm also setting the no reset boolean flag to true. In order to get the app package and app activity name, there is an app called APK Analyzer. You can install that, and then the WordPress app is not yet installed. I'll show that once we install the application. So let us save this as Android and start the session. You can see that the WordPress application launched and the screenshot of it is showing up in the APM inspector. Now let me open the emulator again and the APK Pure app. Now let us search for WordPress. Once we do that, you can see the package name over here, which is org.wordpress.android. And if I switch to the activities tab, you can see the activity name, which is org.wordpress.android.ui.wp launch activity. In a similar way, you can find the app package and activity name for your own application. So let us come back to the WordPress app and let me click on the login button and then try to get the new screenshot by clicking on the refresh button. You can see the new screenshot has come up. In the next video, we'll be seeing how to find different locators in the application. We'll start with the iOS app.